So Irfan, let's start with your introduction.
So, my name is Irfan Ali, and I graduate from the Global Institute of Technology from Jaipur. In my academic years, I joined with the startup company. I have experience in a startup company. In this company, I working as a front end developer, and then the company is not provide me like PPO. That's why I'm joined the Boss Coder in November 23. When I joined the Boss Coder, so they firstly the session with the Amish sir. They are giving me some DSA modules and study and problem solving questions and they improve my coding journey, and also I'm doing some like lead code questions to solve. And also Amit sir was giving me details about the how company is a hire and how to clear the round and how to enter in the like a product based company. Then they are giving me provide by the boss coder, and I have continuously solve the lead code questions and also follow the Amit sir and my all instruction teachers steps, and I got it the offer from the Invest Cloud.
That's great. Congratulations on that, Irfan.
Thank
So,
you. Thank you.
moving ahead, what were the problems, or you can say, what were the challenges you were facing before joining Bosco Academy?
Before boss coder, actually I'm from a tier 3 college. In my college they did not provide me like anything how to get the placement in other company or product based company, but they are only focusing only 10 to 20 questions only DSA. They are only easy type question like pyramid questions and find the maximum second largest, and it's a normal question. They are providing me 10 to 12 questions. They also providing me some training, but it's not helpful for me. I want to enter in a product based company. So when I realized if I want to join any product based company any of Swiggy, Zomato and all, so want to good skills in data structure and also system design. I'm finding the coaching in online and offline, so I moved to the Bangalore in July 23, and also visiting some coaching in the Bangalore there is multiple coaching, Hey Coach and also Coding Ninja. But one day I was scrolling my Instagram reels. I was watching the post coders ad. Then I trying to reach out them, and also they are giving me some instruction what we will be providing, and if you are joining, then how to increase our skills. Then I joined the boss coder November 23, and after the 4 month I have completed my DSA all lecture series. My instructor was the Amit sir, and my mentor was the Sanmitra, and my mentor also me provide I think she was working with the Salesforce company and also product based company, and she was providing me some steps you firstly you solve the questions trying to yourself and giving me every question 20 to 30 minutes. Then after move the video lectures and connected with the support of boss coder. Then I follow the steps all my they are providing my all strengths teachers, and I am able to solve many questions. I think 4 to 500 I solved, and also starting with CodeChef and CodeForces. So I got the 3 star of ranking in the CodeChef, and CodeChef I solved 10 to 20 questions. So it's a very helpful journey with the boss coder.
Got it, got it. So, what is your feedback about the mentors and instructors? So, how helpful they have been in your in your journey?
So in my DSA instructor was the Ami sir. He was working with the Microsoft company. They are guide all to student in my page. If you want to join both Microsoft, Google, so there is multiple steps. Firstly you clear all concept about the DSA and also system design, and also they are providing me some tips, and there is also giving me all the student patterns questions. There is 20 to 30 patterns. If you can give the few mastered in patterns, so you can able to solve any questions on the lead code medium and hard. And also they are me to how to deal with question in a interview. They in an interview there is fixed timing time to if a medium question to 30 minutes is the maximum. So and also my mentor was Sangmitra. She was also very helpful, and giving me some how to optimize your resume and how to approach the any if you want to referral from any candidate, so how to reach out there. So they guiding me thing.
So, can you share your interview experience at InvestCloud?
So when in the Invest Cloud, I apply on off campus. So and I think May 1st of May. Then after 2 weeks, I got the call from the HR. Your resume is got shortlisted. So we are conducting. First round was a technical round. They asking my two DSA questions and also giving me some machine coding questions implementing a login sign up page. Okay, I am able to solve both questions, both of our questions in DSA also with, for the thankful for the boss coder. And also it's simple task for me create a login sign up page. So after 2 and 3 days, I got the call from HR ki you are clear this round, then we are scheduling our second round. So in the second round, they also asking two DSA question and some implementation question, and asking my some previous project and experience about my startups journey. The round was cleared, and third round was with the manager round. But it's a not a manager round, it's a technical round, and all rounds is elimination round. The in a manager was asking me particular oops concept and object oriented programming questions, and also he was implementing situations with my previous features in my startup company, and I'm able to solve it. And the fourth round was the with the lead tech lead. So he was asking me 3ds question. One question was the DP, and two question is medium level stack and queue, and I am able to solve, and I got the offer, and I joined the 1st of July. So Invest Cloud.
Great, great,
So
great.
this is the my
Okay, okay. So, you have like taken experience now, and you have like good knowledge of set of skills, right? So, what is
yeah.
your advice or your tips for the working professionals who are currently working in a full-time job, but also want to upskill, but they are like in that confusion mode right now?
So still my journey with the 1.5 month, but the problem was mostly professional facing because they parallelly solving the DSA questions. So
Exactly.
I suggest to join any academy and all. You can particular schedule. You can join particular timing or classes and solve the regular basis DSA questions. DSA is it's the most important thing if you want to grow in like uh, join any big tech company. So
Right.
it was yeah.
Okay. So basically, consistency is important in
Yeah,
problem solving.
consistency is very yeah. If you
Got it.
go to 3 days, you will
Hmm.
not be able yeah.
Got it. That's a really helpful tip, I believe, because consistency is one thing that many professionals
Yeah.
lack, and there's the point where motivation is loose. Okay, yeah, thank you so much, Irfan, for sharing these tips and your journey with Boss Coder. So that was great to hear. And thanks for joining us. Thanks for taking out time.
Yeah, okay, okay. Thank you for that.